it's time. It is time that I started getting into this. Now, is this all about, and am I going to do it all in one video? No, I'm just going to do these 2 bags, then I'm going to do the boxes in another video because it is just too much and I talk too much. Anyway, so this and this we're getting into today. I'm going to do this one second because I think this has got just a lot of like little freebie stuff and samples and a whole bunch of stuff. I'm not really sure what's in that. And this is the stuff that I've actually purchased. But can we just admire the bags? Like, can you see the color? Like, you see that sort of pink that's in there? Like, it's so deceitful. Like, the silver, the sort of pink, the gold, like, I just love it. I am 100% a fan of the Christmas, the theme this year, like the circus theme. Like, I am 100%, like, I'm so excited about it. So I've got another bag within this bag. All right. So first thing I see is she has given me some of this beautiful ribbon. Isn't it pretty? This is like proper ribbon. Like, this is material. It's got gold embroidered on it and it is just stunning. So she's actually given me a heap of that. I will do something with it. I've got so much beautiful ribbon from, like, not just Dior but everywhere that I've shopped, and I don't know what, but I'm gonna do something with it, like something crafty and exciting. Anyway, so in here I've got 2 of the gift sets. Oh my god, look at this packaging, like, seriously. So this is one of the gift sets. I got this because this is actually for me because I wanted the bag. So I wanted this little gift bag. I'm sorry, but excuse me. Look at it. Look at the star, so it opens up. And then look at this. Now, I've actually heard that there are people that are actually putting chain links here and carrying this like a little crossbody bag. And could you imagine this New Year's Eve? Like, just, excuse me, I'm just going out partying with my little, you know, Dior clutch. Like, this is totally, like, you can use this as a clutch. Like, I'm not going to lie. Like, you totally can. I'm telling you, if I was in my 20s, what am I talking about? If I was in my 20s, I'd do it now. Oh, it's nice. It's lined. And then inside, this was, I will actually put the prices on the screen because this was quite an affordable little bag. So, gift set. So I've got the Dior Capture OXC treatment. So it's a cream. Then we have a beautiful lip balm 100. This is just a good classic hydrating lip balm. And then we have the lip maximizer with that, which matches. Look at that. Matches. Beautiful. You're looking for like little stocking fillers or just a little gift, like for somebody, like, tell me this isn't, like, you're basically gifting them a handbag. This is a clutch. Like, you can totally use this as a clutch. Like, why wouldn't you? It is so cute. I actually think I might even use this as my New Year's Eve little clutch. Like, how perfect is that? And I've got gold chains. Like, I've definitely got a detachable gold chain on something. And I think that's what I'm going to do. Like, how cute. This is the next one that I got. My daughter actually picked this out. She wanted this. My daughters, yes, they get a lot of Dior at Christmas. What can I say? I'm a collector, so that just sort of makes them a collector. Anyway, it's the same little bag. So she's going to love that. They've both got a collection of these. And then, but inside this one has, so she knows she's getting this, so it's not going to be any kind of surprise or spoiler. We've got the mascara. Look at the packaging on this mascara. And then we've got the maximizer or the primer. Oh, it's a maximizer, 4D maximizer. So you use this first, then you use this. Like, hello, gorgeous. Anyway, that's what she wanted. So, very affordable little, like, gift set that you could get anyone. Girlfriend, mother, friend, co-worker, like, all depends on your budget, you know. Stocking fillers. Like, you could buy these little gift sets And then like just take these out separately and give them to someone and keep the bag yourself. Like so many options. Anyway, I've got some glitter on here. Let's get into this heavy one here. So another thing, I took my daughters with me, obviously. Big mistake, because they always pick out what they want. So anyway, this is a silky dry body and hair oil, and it's the J'adore one. They both wanted one of these for their stocking fillers. So I got them those. And then I'm so in love. Like, I'm so in love with these. Like, you're just going to die. You are going to die. I got two of these because one's for my daughter. So I'll just show you one. You're going to die. You're going to die. So this is the package. This is the box that it comes in. Wait until you see it. Like, you're going to die. You're going to die. Okay, you're going to die. You're going to die. Oh, my God. She is stunning. Oh my God. Now you want to talk clutch. This can be used as a clutch. Like, this is like soft sort of padding. And then you just, how does this one open? Oh, you just press this in, open, and then have a look at that. Tell me, like, those colors are gorgeous. So what you actually have in here is lippies down the bottom. Then you've got powder blush, eyes, and a illuminating powder and bronzer. But, hey, the trick with this is you can actually pop this whole thing out and you can use it as a clutch. Like, it's got a mirror as well. Pop all this out and then you've got a little clutch, Christmas clutch. Like, how gorgeous is this? I don't know if you'd be able to get a chain in here, but I mean, going out for dinner, party, whatever, all you need to put in here is your, might be thin enough for some phones, but you can put some money, your cards and your keys in here. And then just, you know, how stunning. So of course I had to have that. You're gonna die for the next one. No, I said you're gonna die for this one, but you're gonna die for the next one. Like, you're gonna absolutely die. When I saw it, I was just like, oh, I have to have that too. And then my daughter's like, but I want that. And I'm like, oh, you know what? It's not even that expensive. You can have one too. So this, oh, there's the box. Well, how silly am I not even showing you? Look how small it is. People are using these as card holders, and like, why not? So again, pop it open. Whoop. And then you have eyeshadows inside, mirror. Again, you can pop this out and then it's like you've got the inside, like this comes out, and then you've got a little, like a little card holder. It's a bit smancy, don't you think? Like, look at this. Again, I'm going to put the prices up on the screen so you can actually see, but is this not like every single year Dior come out with, like, hands down the best holiday stuff? Like, they just do. The first time they've brought out this little tiny one, but it's not the first time they've brought out the bigger one. I do have others of these. Okay, so I got two of those because one's for my daughter and of course she doesn't have to have it. To the bag of goodies that she gave me. This is just all, I don't even know what she's thrown in here. Like, she's just gone ham and gone, yeah. She was like, Oprah, you get this, you get this, you get this. Like, I love it. So I got, ooh, the new little Dior, the new Miss Dior fragrance. Love that Miss Dior fragrance. I love that new little Miss Dior fragrance. Heap of those. Now, I did spend a lot of money when I went in there. So please, like, don't be like, oh, my essay doesn't do this, my essay doesn't do that. Like, I have spent a lot of money. So, and she knows I keep coming back and, you know, so she does look after me. So we got some of these. I give these to my best friend. She absolutely loves this. I buy the big one for myself. If I could afford to buy her the big one, well, I would do that too. I got a whole bunch of these. Oh, Sauvage face cleanser. Total Captel. I'll put them in my little bags that I give away to my friends. Another Miss Dior. I got this. Now I use this as well. I use these as my travel ones because I've got the big bottle of this, and I absolutely love it. I use it every single day. Actually, almost. I need to go buy another one. And I use this as my little travel one because you don't want to be taking like a massive glass like thing when you're traveling. So I love these. And then I got, what else is here? Some more Receipt, Sauvage. Ooh. Oh, she gifted me this. I love this. This is for my husband. Like, it's going to be so awesome. It is a leather pouch to put your perfume, like his bottle of Sauvage in. Like, look at that, and it protects it. Like, how gorgeous is that? And you just roll it up. I'll put the paper back in. And then when he travels, he won't wreck his bottle. How cool is that? I could put lipstick in there. But I won't keep it for myself. That's for him. So that was a fun little freebie she threw in for me. She also gifted me these. They had these free with the men's Father's Day sale. So she had some left over and she's gifted me these. So they're just pins. So he's got like a toiletry bag and stuff like that. So, you know, I could pin them to that or whatever. Anyway, aren't they cute little collector's item? I absolutely love those. Then she gave me some little stars, Christmas stars. She knows how much I love these. I'm going to do a whole Christmas tree. Oh, look at that. I'm going to do a whole Christmas tree with these stars. I've got them from every year that I've been buying from Dior, and she knows I love them, so she gave me some of those. Then I also got some pins. So this is just a little CD star. And then she gave me some of the pins from the new collection. That might be from the new collection as well. So she also gave me these ones. So we've got like a lady here, and I think we've got an elephant and a monkey. And they're pins. So love her for that. And then in here, I got the beautiful gift with Levi. I got the beautiful gift with the star. So this looks absolutely stunning. How does it open? Like that. So this has the star and then all the pictures. So I'll display this because I just love this packaging. I love this year's theme. I love it. Hands down, I think it's the best theme I've brought. I do buy Christmas stuff every year, and I think hands down this is the best year. So yeah, that's part of my haul. I still have 2 boxes to go, and I will do that in my next one. And yeah, thanks for watching. Comment down below what you think of it all. What was your favorite thing? And yeah, I'll talk to you in the comments. Thank you. Ciao, ciao, bye.